In this video, I will guide you on how to get WhatsApp on your Redmi Watch 3 active. So if you want to be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Redmi Watch 3 active, this video is going to guide you on how to go about doing that. Basically, what you want to do is to head over to your phone, and the reason for this is particularly because the Redmi Watch 3 active actually works with our phone using the Mi Fitness app. So go ahead and open up the Mi Fitness app on your phone. Meanwhile, I have made a separate tutorial on how to connect the Redmi Watch 3 active with the Mi Fitness app on your phone, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that particular video in the description of this video. Basically, you just want to make sure you download and install the Mi Fitness app, turn on Bluetooth, and then make sure you pair both devices from the devices tab at the bottom of your phone over here. Once both devices are connected, you're good to go. Now, to be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Redmi Watch 3 active, you want to just come over to the notification center, that is the notifications and call settings over here. Click on it, and then from over here you want to go over to the apps notification, select that. And then first things first, make sure that app notifications at the top is actually turned on. And then from more options we have over here, make sure you select custom notification, then proceed to look for the WhatsApp app from all of this list of applications over here. So at the bottom you can literally see WhatsApp. Just make sure you toggle on this notification button at the right hand side for WhatsApp on your Mi Fitness app. Once this is turned on, you should now be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Redmi Watch 3 active. But if for some reasons you're still not able to get all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications, what you can actually do is to head over to the settings of your phone. So come over to settings, and then you want to come over to the apps settings on your phone, select it. Then from the list of applications over here, you want to go ahead and look for the WhatsApp app. So search for WhatsApp, select the WhatsApp application. Then under notifications, you want to make sure you enable the show notification permission for WhatsApp, and then also go ahead and look for the Mi Fitness app on your phone as well, and then also make sure you enable that notification. So under notifications, also make sure you enable the show notification permission for the Mi Fitness app. At this point, you should be able to receive all of your WhatsApp messages and notifications from your phone to your Redmi Watch 3 active. Another thing you might want to do is to come over to this top apps notification center over here, and then you want to make sure you turn off the receive only when phone is locked, and then make sure you turn on the wake screen so that the screen of your Redmi Watch 3 active will be turned on. So make sure you turn on this, but make sure you also turn off the receive only when phone is locked. Go ahead and try sending a WhatsApp message or notification to yourself, and you will definitely receive it on your Redmi Watch 3 active. I'll go ahead and try doing that now. Okay, so I have just sent a message to myself now on WhatsApp, and as you can see, I just received it on my phone. It is actually a notification from myself saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you come over to my Redmi Watch 3 active, you can literally see a message from myself saying, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.